ये धूप ये मौसम ये बादलों की परछाई है, तू और मैं भी है इस शाम की हलचल में। ये चांद ये तारे ये बारिशों की बूंदे भी हैं, मैं और तू भी है इस रात की महफिल में।
Hello guys, good morning. Today is 29th of January. Today I'll be exploring Kumhar village, which is also known as Potter's village. I wanted to go there when I heard about it. I have booked Ola till Lok Kalyan metro station. After that I'll take metro to Uttamnagar. Then I'll be exploring the village. The village is known for its terracotta designs and there are many national awardees from Potter family. It has been passing from generation to generation. So yeah, let's go. My hair is a disaster right now. I have to make 2 switches on my way to Uttamnagar West. There are total of 17 stops. It's a 40 minutes journey. And right now I am in INA Dilihat. I'm taking Pink Line towards another metro. Second switch for the day is Rajauri Garden. I have reached Uttamnagar West. Now I'm ready to explore Kumhar Colony. Guys, I'm heading towards my location. There were lots of obstacles in the way. Previously, Google showed me wrong location. My Ola driver also brought me to that Google wala location, and then I had to take an auto to Uttamnagar East, and now I'm finally heading towards the original Kumhar Colony. It's not that pots weren't available in the earlier location. There were pots, but it was ready-made. I wanted to see the process. That's why I hopped on to the next location. I'm in Auntie's house. Auntie is gonna show me how to make a small matki. सभी अपना अपना नाम बताओ. आयुष,
Manish,
Manish,
Nikita,
हाँ, Nikita, Priya.
और उसका
आपका?
नाम निशा।
Nisha. They are my new friends. Bye bye. I met such a nice family. I was blown away by their hospitality. They invited me in. Auntie, she asked her daughter to make tea for me. She gave me tea and good day biscuits. After that, she wanted to make lunch for me also, but I told her that I'm full. Auntie showed me how to make pots. She made small pots. I thought of trying, but I didn't want to ruin it because it takes lots of effort. It's a tedious work to do. Auntie was also telling me about the problems potters family are facing. They're not able to earn much. So I can't do much from my side. All I can do is I can link the family's number in my description box. If you want to buy or make any orders, you can just check out the number in the description box and order pottery items from them. And the kids out there, they're another level. Different kind of energy. They just like surrounded me and we were just talking and talking. Most of the conversation I didn't record. I had a great time meeting them. It's finally worth it that I came here to Kumhar Colony. Some things like this are to be cherished for a lifetime. We won't get to experience this again and again. The amazing hospitality of amazing family. They don't have much, but they are very happy. Smile on their faces. Their positivity is contagious. I thought of buying something from auntie and family, but since I have flight, I can't carry all the clay products and terracotta products. So I thought of giving some money to auntie, but auntie refused. She told, no beta, just like keep it. I'm very thankful to her. Now let's explore more of the colony. I'm in Saket right now. I'm on my way to Garden of Five Senses. I haven't had my lunch. I carried my own lunch today since last time. I nearly fell sick. I was about to fall sick. Then I went to Majnu Kitla, grabbed some beef tentuk. After that I felt a lot better. And yesterday I took rest. I didn't go anywhere. And from yesterday onwards only I decided that I'll eat only soups and fruits. I've walked for 15 minutes as of now. Guys, Garden of Five Senses is closed. I think I have to go somewhere and eat. I'm feeling hungry also. And I didn't get the Republic Day retreating parade. It doesn't mean that I didn't try. I tried but I didn't get. I waited in Shastri Bhavan day before yesterday. That is on 28th for 1 hour, but to no avail.
साथ है तू और मैं हम साथ हैं.
I have one sweet corn and brown bread, some grapes, oranges, and what do I have? Pomegranates and black coffee for lunch.
ये पेड़ ये पौधे ये ठंडी ठंडी हवाएं हैं. तू मेरी बाहों में है. शहर का शोर कानों में है. ये तेरी ये मेरी ऐसी कैसी कहानी है. ये वक्त कब बीत गया न पता चला मुझको. ये खोरा खोरा आसमां पंख मेरे भीगे से क्यों.
Guys, that was Rose Cafè. Actually, I had no intention to go inside the cafe, but I got attracted by the decor. The wall paintings were very attractive and I got pulled towards it. I think I have a thing for cute cafes. The inside was also really good. I didn't eat anything. I ordered one cappuccino and clicked some pictures out there, and now I need to catch a metro back to the place where I'm currently staying in. Right now I am in a park. It's Indian Garden Park. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, guys. Take care. See you in another video. Bye bye.